Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you a 3D model of a cozy, modern house design. Let's take a quick tour and check out its best features. First, let's talk about the exterior. The house has a clean, modern look with a white exterior and contrasting black accents around the windows and doors. The large windows bring in a lot of natural light, giving it a bright, open feel. The roof has a simple, classic shape that adds to the home's charm, making it both stylish and welcoming. The entrance is framed by a neat walkway with soft lights, perfect for setting the mood on those cozy evenings, even when it's raining outside. The spacious living area is perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, and the stylish furniture adds a touch of modern elegance. The modern kitchen is bright and functional, perfect for cooking and entertaining. Sunlight streams through the window, adding a natural touch to the space. Despite its compact size, this kitchen has everything a chef needs. The cozy bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with a comfortable bed, a functional workspace, and a large window overlooking a serene view. Imagine a serene retreat where families can unwind and reconnect. This cozy home offers a perfect escape with spacious living areas bathed in natural light. This is more than just a house. It's a place where cherished memories are made. The inviting patio is an extension of the indoor living space, perfect for relaxation and entertaining guests. The neutral color palette creates a calm and timeless aesthetic. This clean and minimalist approach allows for versatile decor and personal touches. Large windows flood the interior with natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. This abundant natural light not only enhances the overall ambience, but also improves mood and well-being. The open concept floor plan seamlessly connects the kitchen, dining, and living room, promoting family bonding and creating a spacious and airy feel. The well-organized layout ensures smooth traffic flow and easy access to all areas of the home. Overall, this floor plan offers a harmonious blend of form and function, creating a home that is both stylish and practical. Step out onto the porch, take a deep breath of fresh air, and start your day right. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious living area, perfect for family gatherings. The master bedroom is a true retreat, with a comfortable bed, a large closet, and a private bathroom. The open concept layout creates a seamless flow while making it easy to keep an eye on the kids while you're cooking. The two additional bedrooms are cozy and perfect for kids or guests. They share a convenient bathroom, complete with modern fixtures and plenty of storage space. This well-designed floor plan offers a spacious and functional layout, perfect for families of all sizes. Here's the backyard. Plenty of room for a practical setup. There's space for an outdoor kitchen to keep the main kitchen clean, a laundry area for convenience, and even a small garden to enjoy some greenery. All in all, this house is cozy, bright, and ready for easy living. Thank you for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring home designs and floor plans. See you next time.